This is lesson 24 for Saxon 4, inverse operations. So the inverse operations, or the opposite operations that we are looking at today, is subtraction and addition. These are inverse or opposite. In addition, you add things together. In subtraction, you have a group and you are taking away from it. So it is the opposite of addition, just as the addition is the opposite or inverse of subtraction. So what we're going to start with is this. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, now if you were given that, and I said, make another addition fact and 2 subtraction facts, and you'd go, well, okay, another addition fact is 2 plus 4 equals 6. And then for subtraction, we have to start with the 6 because the 6 is the bigger number. And then you can do 6 take away 2 equals 4, and 6 take away 4 equals 2. And I have now made 2 addition facts and 2 subtraction facts using those 3 numbers. Now we're going to use this same idea and method to find and use the inverse to find missing numbers in both subtraction and addition. So let's take a look. Our first one we're looking at is 36 plus m equals 54. Now, first thing you want to do is you want to rewrite it. Okay, well, m plus 36 equals 54. Okay, well, this one won't let me help me find m because it still equals 54. It doesn't equal m. So I'm going to keep going. 54, subtraction, subtract 36 equals m. This one will help me find m because it tells me I need to do this to find what m is. So I'm going to do that. I can do 54, subtract 36. I can't take 6 away from 4. I must borrow. This becomes 4. I carry my 10 over. This is now 14. 14 take away 6 is 8. 4 take away 3 is 1. M is 18. Okay, so that's one way to find a missing number problem is if you don't know off the top of your head, oh, I need to subtract, or oh, I need to add, then you can do this. Make your subtraction and addition facts and see which one allows you to have m as the answer. Let's look at another one. R plus 36 equals 54. Okay, again, I'm going to rearrange. Well, if I rearrange to 36 plus R equals 54, still doesn't tell me what R is. So let's go over here. 54 take away 36 equals R. Oh, that works. R is now the difference or the answer. So I need to do this to be able to find what R is. So I'm going to do it. 54, 36, take away. 4 and 6 I can't do. I need to borrow. This becomes 10. Okay. And same thing all over again. This is now 8. This is now 1. I have my answer. Okay. Same thing as the last one. Just a different letter. Okay, let's look at subtraction. Because if it works for addition, maybe it'll work for subtraction. T take away 29 equals 57. All right, so T take away 29 equals 57. I'm going to first make another subtraction fact. Well, here's my issue. T is obviously my biggest number because it is the point where my biggest number should be. So you need to remember that even though 57 is the biggest number you see, this spot is reserved for the biggest number, which means if I need to make another subtraction, I do T, okay, take away 57 equals 29. Okay, the T is still the biggest number, and this doesn't help me find my answer. So I'm going to keep going. If I do, because I know this is my biggest answer, I now need to go 29 plus 57 equals T. Oh, that will help me. So I need to do 29 plus 57 to find t. Let's do that. 29, 57, 7 plus 9 is 16, so I place the 6, carry the 1, 2 and 5 is 7, plus 1 is 8, and I have 86. So that means 86, and I can check my answer right away because this number should be bigger than both 57 and 29, and it is. So my answer will be 86 equals t. Let's do one more subtraction and then we'll be finished. Okay, one more subtraction. We got 72, take away w equals 47. So 72 take away w equals 47. If I'm going to make another subtraction fact, I'm going to do 72 take away 47 equals w. And hey, I don't have to go any further this time. I don't need to go into addition because this now tells me it has the equals w. That's what I'm looking for. So what I need to do is take 47 away from 72. So as you see, for some of the subtraction ones, as soon as you put into another subtraction fact, you're done. You don't need to do your addition facts. This rearranged into another subtraction has given me my answer. 72 take away 47 equals w. I can't take 7 away from 2. I need to borrow. This becomes 12. 12 take away 7 is 5. 6 take away 4 is 2. That means my w is 25. So remember, when you're trying to figure out which operation you should use, when you're using the inverse to find different numbers or the opposites, you can write out your subtraction facts and your addition facts and see which one of them gives you equals the missing number. That is the one you will then use. That is lesson 24, inverse operations for Saxon 4.